We have wars happening over water. And we talk about the issue of peace, health, mental health, a whole other set of elements of health. We have people displaced from their homes and their communities for life. We have 1.2 billion climate refugees in the making as we speak. And that is because they don't have enough to eat. They have no livelihood. Their security, physical and otherwise, is at stake. Water's running out. Resources are short. And so what we really need is people to understand that the planet has only that much to offer in terms of serving the endless, boundless greed. It has enough to offer to serve people's needs, but not their greed. So we need people to understand that we can only ever have a future that's secure, happy, and peaceful. And I want to underscore that word peace, because as we speak, we have, you'd be surprised, but more than 30 plus, 35 plus wars happening around the world, many of which are propelled by climate change. We don't think about this. And we're talking about, the boundless, endless, infinite need for money in the bank and whatnot and the other. But everything is in collapse if we are not going to watch out. So we really need to come together. And there's no way we're going to get there unless we're going to be guided by fact, by the facts and science. And so what I'm going to say is that we need to have ground up grassroots action. And that's where your 1.2 billion youth of the world are going to play a part. If every one of us comes together, guided by the science of climate change, we're going to be able to do this. But again, we have to seize the moment, because that moment is slipping away. And it's slipping away because we're so busy trying to make more money, identify differences, split up because of color, creed, caste, you name it. Not understanding that at the end of the day, Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the globe is one family. And at the end of the day, we can only ever be guided by the very fundamental element that is key to all of us in our existence, and that is love.